Hey there kiddos, my name is OTHMARIUS and welcome to my channel. Take a look, I've got a Queen of Hearts here at the bottom of the deck and I've got 4 jacks on top of the deck. Now check this out. If I give those cards now a decent shuffle, something like this, you know what? I'm going to shuffle them just one more time to make sure and check out what's happening, because the Queen of Hearts stays at the bottom of the deck and the jacks, they just didn't manage to get any closer to her. You know why? Because this queen, she's super selective. Only kings, no losers.
OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe.
If you know how to perform a decent overhand shuffle already, which I assume here, you should be able to switch between running single cards and shuffling multiple cards, right? Because this is what we need here. And also we are going to milk the bottom card when we start shuffling the cards. We just press the tips of our middle and ring finger against the face of the card as we start running single cards from the top, just like that, thus keeping the Queen of Hearts at the bottom of the deck. Now we keep on running all the jacks down and even some more cards, and then we start shuffling multiple cards here until we run out of cards, which brings the jacks right above the queen at the bottom, right? Now we reverse this motion, we do just the same thing. Again, we are milking the bottom card. There we go. And then we shuffle multiple cards until we reach a low number of cards in our right hand and we start running single cards, thus bringing the jacks back to the top of the deck and keeping the queen at the bottom, of course. Now, if you need a little more extra time on the overhand shuffle, I've got a fast-paced tutorial highlighting the keynotes on the move, as well as an in-depth tutorial covering all the subtleties. Find these tutorials in the info cards right there. And also I want to invite you to our weekly live card magic practice jam sessions. Thanks so much for tuning in. If this watch was worth your time, well then hit triple combo, like, subscribe and notification bell icon, and rest assured in the meantime, more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very soon. What is going on with my hair? Why is it turning gray? Jesus.